Bharat Dabholkar, isn't that the duty of the artist? Doesn't the artist have the right to
yes, I think
have a duty to defend freedom
in this industry? I think there are very few Mahesh Bhatts who sincerely believe in what they say, and they have the conviction to go ahead and do it, regardless of whether their film loses or wins. I think there are very few people like this. As Rahul was saying, that
so is it about the money then? So basically, it's about the money. Is it then, Rahul Dholakia, about the money?
It is about the money, unfortunately, but it is about the money, but I do feel somewhere that, we've not become filmmakers only because it's about the money. I think somewhere along the line, it's all become too much about the business and about the money. I don't think people who are real filmmakers actually, we are willing to put our lives on hold. We put our homes on hold because we believe in a project. So while it is a business, I think that, it's not only about money. The issue here is also not even the actors and the actresses and the producers. I think it's the exhibitors who are not willing to kind of run the film because they are frightened that their property is going to be tarnished. Now, you're not even giving the machinery a chance to protect you. You're going and posturing and bowing like, Karan did on Wake Up State. You're not even allowing the state machinery to come and protect you. How do you then take them on? I don't think this is about Shah Rukh's comment on cricket because the Home Minister made the same comment on cricket. I think this is about somebody waiting that, okay, a filmmaker has bowed this time, now let's wait for an opening and jump into that opening and get our mileage from it. And
but the question is, why did Karan Johar do that? Rahul Dholakia, let me bring you in. Is it because he feared that there would be financial losses? As Pooja Bhatt is saying, because of the money, there's so much money riding on it. It's clearly a corporatized business.
Right, I agree with you on that. The only thing is that Parzania was a film which was really small. We had no money, we had no clout, we had no power, and yet we fought. Now, you have all the money in the world, you have all the power in the world, you have all the clout in the world. You have a government which is a Congress government. With me, it was the BJP government. So, if you are not going to fight that, and you're not going to use those resources, then why are you complaining? It's like, don't complain. Yes, we will support you, but you take the first initiative. We are there. We are going to stand
that's a very interesting point. Who takes the first initiative? Who takes the first initiative? Is
the filmmaker.
And then is it a question of leadership within the film fraternity? Does it require, say, someone like an Amitabh Bachchan to take the lead? Because what Amitabh Bachchan has done is that actually he's praised Balasaheb Thackeray in a blog. Do you feel, Pooja Bhatt, that at this moment in time, when the Shiv Sena is targeting North Indians, when it's targeting film stars, that this perhaps, in some senses, sort of was not the right timing, perhaps, for a blogger praising Balasaheb?
Well, with all due respect to Mr. Bachchan, who is a god in this nation, I think that it's a democracy and we are all allowed to worship our own gods. If he wishes to, at this point, worship that god, so be it. And the point is that why do you kind of equate people's screen images with what they actually are in real life?
But
I think one thing has been proven over time is that the lives that we lead and the lives that we preach are very different from each other.
No, but that's inescapable.
Well, I think that all I can say
does have a certain political complexion. When you're the hero of the underdog, when you're taking on the establishment, when you're the
I do not expect any other filmmaker to be like me or my father or like the people sitting here. Neither do I want to change anyone's perspective. That's the magic of a democracy. All I can do is be me. All I can do is stick my neck out. All I can do is stand for the truth. And all the people who are twittering away about Shah Rukh Khan, I just want to ask them, would they twittering away about KRK? Because he's, looked down upon. Why don't you stand up for Deshdrohi like you stand up for My Name is Khan?
Right.
So the point is, it can't be it has to be, you have to stand up for it, period. We are not here because we have anything to gain from this film.
Yes.
We are here because we stand for something, we oppose violence.
Small doesn't matter,
absolutely.
Matter.
So show the same amount of concern, show the same amount of angst when CNN is being, don't kind of, why are the other channels mum when one channel is being attacked?
That's a very good
your
point.
Power centers that rule you are different?
That's a very good point. Let's come back with lots more after this time break.
It boils down to...
Even when Sachin made a comment, which I think that he made with great dignity, that he is an Indian before he is a Maharashtrian, there were not very many people from the sporting industry who stood up for him.
In fact, that's a very good point. We'll come back and pick up on that. We'll come back and pick up on that, Pooja Bhatt. Why don't public figures then actually come more to the defense of such people? For example, why could Sunil Gavaskar not have spoken out in defense of Sachin Tendulkar when he made that comment and when he was attacked by the Shiv Sena? Much more when we come back on Face the Nation.